Welcome to AI Tube, your ultimate guide to AI in disaster response. Hey there, AI tubers. Welcome back to the world's most captivating, funny, and informative AI channel on YouTube. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of AI in disaster response. We'll explore prediction, resource allocation, and rescue operations. But before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing content. By doing so, you'll have a chance to get a shout-out and receive an Amazon gift card. Stay tuned till the end to find out if you're today's lucky winner. Now let's jump right into it. Predicting disasters with AI. The future is now. Prediction is key when it comes to disaster response. AI is changing the game by helping us foresee catastrophes before they happen. Imagine having your very own crystal ball, but instead of a mystical artifact, it's a computer. For example, AI algorithms can predict earthquakes by analyzing seismic data and identifying patterns. It's like Sherlock Holmes on steroids, folks. Resource allocation. AI's got you covered. When disaster strikes, every second counts. AI helps allocate resources efficiently to save lives and minimize damage. Think of AI as the world's most strategic board game player. By analyzing data from past disasters and real-time information, AI determines where and when resources are needed the most. Now that's what I call a lifesaver. AI to the rescue, unleashing robotic heroes. Rescue operations can be risky and time-consuming. But fear not. AI is here to save the day. Imagine a team of robotic superheroes swooping in to save the day. AI-powered drones can survey disaster-stricken areas, assessing the situation and guiding rescue teams. These aerial acrobats are like eagle-eyed scouts, providing crucial information and making rescue operations safer and more efficient. Remember, folks, with great power comes great responsibility. The power of collaboration, AI and humans working together. AI is great, but it's even better when combined with human expertise. Picture AI and humans forming the ultimate dream team. It's like Batman and Robin, but with a futuristic twist. Together, they can tackle disaster response with unmatched precision and speed. Now that's a dynamic duo. AI in disaster response. The future looks bright. AI is revolutionizing the way we handle disasters, and we're only scratching the surface. With continuous advancements, AI will become an indispensable tool in saving lives and protecting our planet. Just imagine what the future holds. AI might become as crucial to disaster response as a trusty Swiss Army knife is to a camper. Halfway reminder. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll have a chance to get a shout-out and receive an Amazon gift card. Keep watching to find out if you're today's lucky winner. Open to sponsors. Calling all AI ventures. Attention, AI enthusiasts. If you've got an AI venture that you'd like to promote, we're open to hearing from sponsors. Don't miss this chance to showcase your groundbreaking work on the world's best AI YouTube channel. Together, let's push the boundaries of AI and make a difference. And that's a wrap, AI tubers. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into AI and disaster response. Stay tuned for more. The adventure continues. We have plenty more captivating content coming your way, so make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. You won't want to miss what's next on AI Tube. From groundbreaking innovations to jaw-dropping applications, we'll continue to explore the world of AI with our trademark humor and wit. It's like a never-ending roller coaster ride of knowledge. Today's lucky winner. Congrats. Drum roll, please. Today's shout-out and $300 Amazon gift card winner is Michael Hunt 68. Congratulations for liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Enjoy your well-deserved prize. Remember, folks, you too can be a winner. Just like comment and subscribe for your chance to be featured and receive an Amazon gift card. Keep watching till the end. Surprise awaits. Don't click away just yet, iTubers. We've got a special surprise waiting for you at the end of the video. Trust us, it's worth the wait. You'll be left in awe and inspired by the limitless potential of AI in disaster response. A glimpse into AI-powered resilience, a real-life example. Ready for that surprise we promised? Here it is. We're excited to share a real-life example of how AI has made a significant impact on disaster response. In 2021, AI was used to monitor and predict the path of Hurricane Ida. Thanks to AI's predictive power, authorities were able to make informed decisions and evacuate areas in the hurricane's path. This undoubtedly saved countless lives and mitigated the damage caused by this massive storm. Now you see why we're so passionate about sharing the wonders of AI with all of you. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through AI in disaster response. We hope you enjoyed the ride and learned something new along the way. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest and greatest in the world of AI. Till next time, AI tubers, stay curious and keep exploring.